Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Wilson coming to you from Chattahoochee River Club Tennis Courts. I thought this would be the best way to teach you about perimeter and area. Today's math lesson in Pearson 13-6. First, we're going to talk about perimeter. To find the perimeter of an area, you'd simply add the distance around the outside. Take this tennis court, for instance. Each long side, the length, is 78 feet. The great thing about perimeter is, even if they don't give you the number on the other side, if they are parallel, if they are equal, like in rectangles and squares, then if this side is 78 feet, the opposite side will be 78 feet as well. Let's check it out and see. Ty, can you scan this side? And compare it to the opposite side. The length of this tennis court is 78 feet no matter which side you're on. So I don't need them to tell me 78 on this side and 78 on that side. I can figure it out, and so can you. The length of a tennis court is 78 feet. The width of a tennis court, let's check out the width. Width is how wide something is. And in an equation, a mathematical equation, you would represent it with a W. This is the width, and it is 36. Now stop and think for a moment about what I just taught you. If this width is 36, then the width on the other end of this rectangle, which is the tennis court, would be what as well? You're right, 36. Absolutely. So if I wanted to find the perimeter of this tennis court, all I have to do is add 36 plus 78 plus 36 plus 78. And then I will have not only a total, because I'm adding, but I'll also have the perimeter. The perimeter is the distance around the outside of this rectangle, which is a tennis court. The second concept you're learning today is area. Now that's a little different. Whereas Miss Wilson would walk the perimeter of the tennis court. See us walking the perimeter? I'm not going inside, am I? No, I'm not. Because that's not the perimeter. Where did I say the perimeter was? Ty, where's the perimeter? It's on the
outside.
Outside, that's right. The area is on the inside, where Ty is standing now. Ty, show the inside of this tennis court. All the blue and all the white lines, that's your area. And you can't figure out how much space or how much area is in the inside of this tennis court unless you multiply. You have to multiply one length, which was 78, by one width, which is 36. If you take the long side and multiply it by the wide side, that will tell you all of the area that's inside. Area is length, L, times width, W. And the great thing is it makes an L, really, when you think about it, because look, this is my length here, and I come down to this 90-degree angle, which would be in a rectangle or a square, and I walk the width. So one length and one width, multiply them together, and it gives you all the area inside. Check it out. All the area inside. And the perimeter is like a fence. I wish it were a fence and it would keep in all of my bad shots in tennis. But the lines that go around the outside of the tennis court, that's the perimeter of this one tennis court. You know how I know? Because when I hit bad shots, they go outside the line and into the other court and they don't count. Perimeter and area. Hope you enjoy it today. Bye.